Elizabeth and I are here. We come every single year. It's so much fun. We always buy several things here, and with the music and the wonderful lunch that we get here, it brings back many memories over the years for us. This is a fantastic show. Just everything you see here you would not see elsewhere.
They're goose, duck, ostrich, rhea, emu, and pheasant eggshells. I get all my eggshells from bird breeders. This is emu. That's all natural eggshell color. The outside of the shell is a dark green. This is a rhea eggshell, cousin to the ostrich from South America.
My work here is hand-cut paper. I work from original designs, and I cut with an X-Acto knife.
We do fused glass landscapes. One of the things that's important to note, there's no painting involved. Everything is made with crushed glass, and little strings of glass, and little strips of glass. It's all assembled dry, and then fired in a kiln to become a solid panel of glass.
We actually found some gorgeous wood toys that we bought for Christmas for my nephews and my son. And there was something for everyone. There was something for me, my husband, my daughter. You can see her little. What do you have? Yeah. It's beautiful. So we had a really great time today. Thanks for putting this together.
I love making gifts for men, as they are special people in our lives, and men often enjoy simple gifts that they will use every day and appreciate.
I've been turning bowls and other artistic pieces for about 7 years. Decided to do this when I retired from the Coast Guard.
This is our third year here, and there's several different vendors. We really like a lot of the food vendors, and we come back every year to check them out and the woodworking. And also we like to look at the Sharon Snitta, which is the paper cutting. And we bought several things today, including the pecan yummies, which my mom buys every year, and some glass bowls for some of our relatives.